Hi, you guys. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nehal, and if you're new to this channel, it would be really great if you could just take out 2 seconds of your time and subscribe to my channel below. I'm so sorry, मेरा गला बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है. मुझे जुकाम है, खांसी है. I had the worst viral last week, और I'm still recovering. I'm actually in the recovering phase. अभी भी काफ़ी हद तक मैं रिकवर कर चुकी हूँ. बट यू हैव गॉट टू डू व्हाट यू हैव गॉट टू डू, और मुझे मिस नहीं करना था एक भी हफ्ता ऑफ अपलोडिंग द वीडियो. बट आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, तबीयत तो ऊपर नीचे होती रहेगी, बट वीडियो कहीं नहीं जानी चाहिए. सो या हियर आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो फॉर यू गाइस. इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने स्टोरी डाली थी आस्किंग यू पीपल टू सेंड मी सम क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज आई वाज अबाउट टू शूट अ Q&A टुडे. तो आप लोगों में से काफी लोगों ने मुझे क्वेश्चंस भेजे इन द क्वेश्चन स्टिकर. बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे डीएम्स पे क्वेश्चन भेजे थे. सो आई हैव पिक्ड अप अबाउट 15 ऑफ देम एंड आई एम गोना आंसर देम राइट नाउ. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. तो सिंस जो भी क्वेश्चंस है मेरे फोन में है एंड आई एम शूटिंग विद माय फोन, सो आई हैव रिटन डाउन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस हियर. देयर आर अ टोटल ऑफ 15 क्वेश्चंस. आई एम गोइंग टू बी आंसरिंग देम. आई फील कि जो क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों ने भेजे हैं दैट विल रियली हेल्प you guys to know me much better. I think these 15 questions are enough for you to know what kind of a person I am, what are my likes, what are my dislikes, what I think. So yeah, कोई किसी order में कोई question नहीं लिखे है, जो मुझे दिखता गया, अच्छा लगता गया, वो मैं लिखती गई. So the first question here is 3 things you can't leave the house without. I think if I have to name just three, वैसे तो मेरे बैग में मेरा पूरा घर रहता है, but if I have to mention just 3 things that I can't leave my house without, would be my phone, my AirPods. Actually, AirPods भी नहीं, AirPods का मेरा काम हो जाता है. Phone for sure. What else? My perfume. I need to smell good every time, so my perfume for sure. And what else? और क्या होता है मेरे बैग में? एंड माई लिप ग्लॉस. ओ माई गॉड, हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट दैट? माई लिप ग्लॉस. सो आई थिंक मैं कुछ उठाऊं ना उठाऊं, ये 3 चीजें हमेशा मेरे बैग में रहेंगी. माई लिप ग्लॉस और लिपस्टिक, माई फोन एंड परफ्यूम. That's it. All right. So the next question is, what's your go-to stress buster? I think everybody knows this by now. Everybody who's been associated with me knows this. To bust my stress, I watch Friends. I don't think there's anything else above that. I mean, I feel when I watch Friends, all my problems just disappear. I can't explain कि Friends मेरे लिए क्या matter करता है, Friends मेरे लिए कितना important है. But yeah, I think by this answer you know कि I love Friends and I'm so grateful for the person जिसने मुझे actually introduce कराया Friends से. So yeah, my go-to stress buster is watching one episode of Friends and I'm good to go. Third question is, have you ever had a complete content fail? I think every content creator will be able to relate to this, and the answer is yes. There can be like two aspects of this answer. One could be कि मैंने content बनाया है और वो content fail हो गया है. Yes, that has happened multiple times, but I feel जो आप बनाते हो, जो आप डालते हो, और अगर उस पर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता है, यू जस्ट नो दैट इट्स नॉट फॉर योर व्यूअर्स एंड यू नीड टू गिव देम व्हाट दे वांट टू सी. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वन एस्पेक्ट. अदर एस्पेक्ट कैन बी कि आपने कंटेंट बनाया है बट आपने वो कभी अपलोड नहीं किया है, सो दैट कैन बी अ फेल फ्रॉम योर एंड. आई डोंट रियली नो व्हाट दिस क्वेश्चन मीन्स, सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द आंसर्स ऑफ बोथ द एरियाज. कि हाँ, मतलब मैंने कंटेंट बनाया है और उसमें मैं फेल हुई हूँ, और हाँ, मैंने बहुत ऐसा भी कंटेंट बनाया है जो बना के रखा हुआ है लेकिन मैंने कभी एडिट करके डाला नहीं है, सो दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी अ कंटेंट फेल. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इज, what's the one decision that completely changed your life? Oh my god, this is a very good question. I really like this question. One decision that totally changed my life was leaving my job and starting my own business. I can't tell you how grateful I am for my husband for this, because he is the one who pushed me. Then my boyfriend, now my husband. So I'm very grateful to him because he is the one who pushed me to start my own business, to start my own company, social media marketing agency. So I have always been a freelancer all my life. I started earning when I was 19. All of the story is already there on my YouTube channel. channel. So I started at a very young age. It was all out of passion because I always wanted to be an independent individual. When you start earning, you respect money a lot more because you know the kind of hard work that has gone into earning it. I had freelanced all my life, and there was this one media agency that I was a part of for I think 2.5 years, and I was loving it there. It wasn't like I was not enjoying, but it's just that I just felt that my growth was so stagnant कि I had no opportunity to grow. Yes, I had the opportunity of meeting a lot of people, of creating a lot of contacts and everything, but at the same time I just felt that मेरी कहीं growth नहीं थी, and I was always very sure कि मुझे खुद का ही कुछ करना है. I don't think I am meant to work under somebody for the longest time, and my husband really motivated me, कि this is the need of the hour. This was back in 2021, I think. Yeah, 2021. I completed 4 years this year. So he really pushed me, and he said that it was a need of the hour and everybody needed a social media marketing agency because everything was going online. It was COVID, और I think COVID के बाद से बहुत चीज़ें change हो गई हैं. Everybody is preferring to go online. So yeah, that was the day, and it's today, and I'm a business owner. I mean, who could have thought? I don't think कि अगर मुझे वो push मिलता मैं वहाँ होती जहाँ मैं आज हूँ. But I'm really really grateful, and yes, that is definitely one of the biggest decisions of my life that totally changed it. So the next question is, what's your most used emoji? I'm gonna put it here. I don't know why I use it so much. I think it's chill, it's formal, it's everything. I think मैं सबसे ज्यादा ये इमोजी यूज करती हूँ फॉर सम रीजन. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट या एंड दिस ऑल्सो, एज इन ये दोनों इमोजीज में इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हु आई एम टॉकिंग टू. सो या आई मीन दीज two are the most used emojis. Okay, so the next question is, have you ever regretted saying yes to a collab? I don't think so. I don't think so because I only say yes to brands that I resonate with. I don't say yes to brands only for the sake of getting free products, or कि brands मुझे products भेज देते हैं, script भेज देते हैं कि आपको ये बोलना है, आपको ये मिलेगा and everything. I don't work that way. I'm very organic when it comes to that. There's a brand who sends me something, I don't like it, I will not promote it. If I really like the product is when I'll actually review it, और वो तभी आप लोगों के पास जाता है. So I don't think I've regretted saying no to a brand in any way for a collaboration. I think I'm very picky about collaborations. So yeah, no. Okay, so the next question is, which one of your reels or posts unexpectedly went viral? There were these two reels, okay. एक तो मेरे खुद के पेज पे थी, और एक थी I have this page with my sister. उसमें एक रील थी. They both blew up. Oh my god, and they have like millions of views, millions. And I'm going to put them here probably. And ओ माय गॉड. और पता है सबसे बुरा क्या लगता है, कि जिसमें हम मेहनत करते हैं, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा टाइम एफर्ट एनर्जी जाती है, इट हार्डली गेट्स एनी रीच. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट डजंट गेट एनी रीच, बट जो रीच शायद दिमाग में सोची थी उतनी तो नहीं आती है. और जिसमें बिल्कुल एफर्ट नहीं है, मतलब ना के बराबर एफर्ट, और इन दोनों में तो बिल्कुल भी एफर्ट्स नहीं थे, दे स्काई रॉकेटेड. एक जो मेरे पेज पे वीडियो थी, दैट वाज अ वीडियो फ्रॉम वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग, और जो मैंने दूसरे फ्रेंड ने ली थी, और मुझे उसका कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा लगा. उसने कॉन्सेप्ट तो क्या ही था, उसने बहुत रैंडमली वो वीडियो ली थी, और मैंने उसको एज अ, एक्चुअली वो भी उसी का कॉन्सेप्ट था. सो या आई मीन मैंने बस वो अपने पेज पर डाल दी, एंड इट ब्लू अप. इट ब्लू अप सो वेल. एंड जो मेरे और मेरी सिस्टर का जो पेज है, उसमें जो मैंने वीडियो डाली थी, वो हमारे ऑलरेडी चाइल्डहुड फोटो का ही मैंने कुछ वीडियो बना के डाला था. इट वॉज हार्डली 4-5 seconds वीडियो, जिसमें कोई मेहनत नहीं थी, एंड दैट ऑल्सो हैज लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ व्यूज. सो मतलब है ऐसी वीडियो दैट अनएक्सपेक्टेडली ब्लू अप, बट उनमें कोई मेहनत नहीं थी, और बुरा लगता है. सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल दैट इट ब्लू अप, बट at what cost? ठीक है, चलो I'm फिर भी grateful. Okay, so the next question is, what's your current wallpaper? This is my current wallpaper. It's just a mandala of the colors of our chakras. And somehow psychologically I feel that, it makes me calm. So that's the ideology behind the wallpaper. Okay, so the next one is one song that's been stuck in your head lately. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with Duro Duro. I know I'm late to the party. I know बहुत पहले ये गाना आया था, but I recently started listening to it and I've been obsessed since then. एक ये है और एक सैयारा का तुम हो तो है. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautifully made song, and yeah, these two are the ones that are stuck in my head lately. Out of which Duro Duro is something that I listen to at least 10 times a day. It's so good. Okay, so the next question is, how do you deal with days when you don't feel productive? I'm just not productive. I mean, for the days that I don't feel productive, I just take it slow. It's not like I don't do anything. I have to work because वर्क को कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर सकते किसी भी तरीके से. आई डू वर्क, इट्स जस्ट दैट आई टेक इट वेरी स्लो. आई डोंट रश इन टू थिंग्स, आई डोंट पैनिक, बिकॉज आई थिंक कि ठीक है, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर ह्यूमंस एंड इट हैपेंस. You can't be energetic all day long, or you can't be energetic every single day. There will be days when you just don't feel like doing anything. So on those days, I make sure that I don't overstress myself with work. I take it slow. And at the same time, I keep myself busy or entertained. Matlab, I watch videos of my favorite creators, or I'll just probably watch Friends. But other than that, I need to do something else as well, right? I can't keep watching Friends all day long. So I try to gain knowledge. जैसे अगर मैं creators की videos देखती हूँ, so I gain ideas as to what kind of videos I can give to you. So I make it productive, but in a very different way, in my own way. So I think that's a win-win situation. I don't waste my day. So I think that's a win. Okay, so the next question is, how do you balance personal life and work without burning out? I don't work without burning out. Like I said in the last question, burning out is very normal. If you work in the same style every single day, I think you are going to burn out very soon. That is the reason why I keep a balance of everything. I meet people, I work, I create content, and I balance it out in a way where I don't burn out too often. Yes, I do burn out. Jesse, I think this question is correlated with the last one. So when I burn out, I don't feel productive, right? And I think creating a balance is very important. And when you ask me how do I do it, I think you need to break your day and you need to prioritize your things. If you feel that you have a lot of important work to do it first. Don't leave it for last. Do it first, and you will feel so free. You'll feel mentally free, and you will have the time to complete your other tasks without being pressurized कि मैंने सबसे important काम अभी तक किया नहीं है. So yeah, I think that's how I balance it out. Burnout होता है, but not so often, and yeah. Okay, so the next question is, what's one thing people would be surprised to know about you? Mm, one thing that people would be surprised to know about me. I don't think there's anything. I'm very open. Everybody knows everything about me, at least for the people who I'm comfortable with. But one thing that people would be surprised to know about you. I think for the people who meet me for the first time wouldn't know that I am a very chill person. As in, पहली मीटिंग में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सब बहुत जज कर लेता है मुझे, that I'm very arrogant and I don't talk to people and all of those things. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है I take my own sweet time to open up to people. I like to observe, and then I like to open up, because first I need to make sure if the person is trustworthy or not, because I have a lot of trust issues with people, and when I really get comfortable with people, they know what kind of a person I am. So I think for the person who's meeting me for the first time wouldn't know that I'm a very chill person. They would just think that I'm very arrogant. I don't know if that answers your question, but I don't think other than this there's anything that people would be surprised to know about me. I think everybody knows everything about me. So yeah, I don't think I have any other answer to this question. Okay, so we have just 3 questions left. Have you ever accidentally posted something you weren't supposed to? All the time, all the time. So for those who don't know, I run a social media marketing agency and I'm a social media manager. So बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि किसी और क्लाइंट का प्रोफाइल खुला होता है और किसी और क्लाइंट में पोस्ट हो जाता है, and जैसे मैं रियलाइज करती हूँ आई हैव टू डिलीट इट बहुत जल्दी सो दैट द क्लाइंट डजंट सी एंड इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो आई एम सॉरी बट या बहुत बार ऐसा होता है बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स का मैंने कभी कभी अपने प्रोफाइल पे भी पोस्ट कर दिया इट जस्ट गेट्स रियली chaotic सो आई हैव टू सी लाइक एवरी सिंगल थिंग वैसे तो आई स्केड्यूल एवरीथिंग सो दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम बट कभी कभी जैसे एंड मोमेंट पे कुछ करना होता है तो ब्लंडर हो ही जाता है मतलब आई डोंट हैव एनी कंट्रोल ओवर इट वो हो ही जाता है सो yes it's a big yes okay so the next question is what's a mantra you live by live and let live मुझे ऐसा लगता है दिस इज द ओनली मंत्रा दैट पीपल शुड फॉलो ऑल्सो भाई तुम्हें जो करना है तुम करो एंड डोंट थिंक अबाउट पीपल जजिंग यू और जो लोग कर रहे हैं उनको करने दो डोंट इंटरफेयर अननेसेसरली सो लिव एंड लेट लिव जियो और जीने दो दैट्स ट्रूली द मंत्रा दैट आई लिव बाय ओके सो इट्स द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द वीडियो and it is do you think success is more about luck or hard work I really like this question I feel it's a mixture of both अगर आपका luck आपके साथ है if the luck is in your favor I don't think you can achieve those heights without your hard work as in अगर luck और हार्ड वर्क मिल जाते हैं इज व्हेन यू एक्चुअली गेट सक्सेस इट्स नॉट लाइक सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क से आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा हार्ड वर्क ऑलवेज पेज ऑफ ऑलवेज मतलब ऑलवेज there is nothing that doesn't go well without hard work so hard work always pays off but hard work mixed with a little bit of luck can take you to heights so yeah I feel it's a mixture of both and सिर्फ लक से कुछ नहीं होता अगर लोग बैठे रहेंगे कि यार नहीं मेरी किस्मत तो बहुत अच्छी है मेरे पास तो चीज़ अपने आप आ जाती है it doesn't work that way अगर आपका लक अच्छा है you need to work hard to get that luck in your favor so I feel that you know people who feel that these two as individuals ways can get you what you want they might but they might not give you the results that you're actually looking for but when the two things gets mixed and they come together I feel your graph would go like this. So I'm a firm believer of working hard and the luck being in my favor. So yeah, I think we've come to the end of the video. I really hope that you got to know me a little more in just these 15 questions. If you have more questions, I might just make another part. So you can just drop the questions in the comments below. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I love you.